Hi there everyone, welcome back to my channel FDIY. So we have a wall fan here. The problem with this wall fan is the speed is slow actually. So it's not what it used to be. So we're going to check and see what's wrong with it. So there's a screw here. We'll open the screw. I've already opened the screw and we'll remove this fan. Now we'll open these screws and remove the frame. Finally we have this motor out here. This is a AC motor. Now we'll open this screw to remove the cover and see if there's a capacitor inside. So finally we have removed the screw and we are opening this cover. Now you can see that there is this capacitor here. This is a 2.5 microfarad capacitor. So we'll change this capacitor and see how it works. So we have brought this new capacitor. This is of 2.5 microfarad, 440 volts. We'll be attaching it. One terminal will be attaching to this black wire and the other would be to these two wire, that's the black and the yellow wire, and then we'll see how it works. So we have the running wire and the starting wire, and we have the terminals, the neutral. So we have attached the capacitor as it was attached before, and now we are going to cover this with this cover. So finally we are all set. We'll just check. We'll switch this main on. So you can see the speed has drastically increased. So that's all folks for today.